Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm back at Aldi, and I am here right as they open, hoping to beat the holiday crowd before tomorrow, 4th of July. And let's get in the store, see what I get for the week. My husband requested cinnamon graham crackers. He likes to eat them with milk, $1.39. These are one of my personal favorite sweets at Aldi, $4.49, just because they sounded good. We are having a pasta meal, so I'm getting a baguette to go with it for $1.69. 93 cents for bread for toast and sandwiches. And we are also having hot dogs on the 4th of July. We're just grilling some. I buy them at Costco though, but I need buns for 92 cents. I'm going to get 2 things of blueberries at $1.89. And then I'm going to get 3 things of strawberries at $1.29. A head of cauliflower, $2.55, just to chop up to eat fresh on lunches. I'm gonna get a couple cucumbers to chop up for lunches, or maybe just one, because that's giant. I'll still get 2. Green beans to go with our pasta dinner and our gnocchi dinner, $1.65. Sweet corn for $2.99. It kills me to pay this price, but it's not worth stopping at another store to get them in the husk. One night this week we are having salads for dinner, so I need more lettuce, $2.95. I'm going to get the Asian chopped salad for a side for dinner, $3.29. We are having breakfast for dinner. It moved from last week, $4.19 for orange juice. Just a couple of snacks. I'm gonna get 4 toasted coconut Greek yogurts. We love this. 59 cents a piece. Butter for $3.58. I'm not getting more of this, but this stuff is absolutely delicious. If you have a chance and it sounds good, buy it. $4.49. Also, we bought these last week in a midweek haul, and while my kids thought they were delicious, they're way too big to practically eat. They were falling all over the place. So I don't think I'll ever buy them again. We'll stick with the more modest marshmallows. Thousand Island dressing for Big Mac salads, $1.45. I haven't bought these in a long time, but I'm going to add them to our snack bin. $1.35. I'm going to get cherry, and I'm going to get blueberry. I'm going to get another box of cereal. I'm going to get the Honey Crunch and Oats, but I got to find a decent box here. With almonds, $1.79. Well, we got these, the paddles. Again, wish I had space for that. Cordless lawnmowers, very cool. And my kids would have loved this when they were younger. Loved it. These Chindi decor pillows are new. I don't see a price for them though. Still lots of leftovers. They're the outdoor poofs still. Pile of shame spilling into the end caps. Oh my gosh, don't show my husband. He probably would want that. I hate having a giant fan in our room. He loves it. These are cute. I don't see them being practical though. Storage containers. Cleaning supplies. Those are cute shoes. Only $5.99. Wow. Ladies' dresses, lounge pants, pet flotation devices. Oh, I wanted to share with you guys, my daughters saved up their money together and bought this a couple years ago and absolutely loved it. We still have the oars, but the boat did pop. But they put it in our pool. We've also bought these shoes in the past. Definitely a great buy. Bike accessories. Let's see. So here are the full-size wooden rockers, not the kids' ones. More pet beds, which is amazing. I feel like they always have different pet beds. These are $30. There's the children's rockers, planters, brooms. We have literally so many. They're spilling out into the aisle, all of our Aldi finds, and a lot of it's just leftover stuff. I think these gardening tools are really cute. I'm tempted to get the broom for my son to brush our patios, $4.49. I'm getting vitamin D. I just took a blood test for micronutrients and I was barely in the good level for vitamin D, so I figure I will start taking vitamin D now. So you need 2 gummies, so this will last me almost 3 months, which for $7.35 seems like a good value. I'm running low on my creams. I use these every day and every night. Love them. $3.89 a piece. I'm going to get a pack of ground beef for Big Mac salads, $5.49. I'm getting Parmesan for our pasta dinner, $2.35. And garlic salt for $1.49. And seasoned salt for $2.69. They only have one unflavored, so I'm taking it. I'll ration it throughout the week, 79 cents. Starting down here, they still have so many of the good looking ice cream things. We've had these in the past, my kids love them. We've never bought those, but they're adorable. Lots of yummies. $3.99 for Parmesan cheese for the Alfredo sauce. I always think these look so good, but it's just such a small box for $4. Loaded and then spicy cheesy tots. They have some stir-fried chicken, lo mein chicken, Asian medley. I'm actually looking for this. I'm gonna get one of these at $2.35 for, I am actually making stir-fried rice, and then I'm gonna make this chicken on the side. I don't think anyone in my Aldi likes these. It doesn't seem like the stock has changed at all. And then the pizzas. Getting crinkle cut fries to go with our hot dogs on the 4th of July, $1.75. My daughter asked me to get more of these, $2.89. These are new, I've never seen them. Frosty root beer. And blue cream. I'm actually going to get these for the 4th of July. My kids will love that. They're $3.24. They did it again. The single color gummy bears, 99 cents. And I have to get both. They're going to go in Mom's candy drawer. There are so many markdowns in our Aldi finds. Like, it's just stacked and red and yellow tags everywhere. Both sides. I don't even want to look because I don't need to buy things I don't need, but there's a ton. And yet these guys remain. They're so cute. Kind of like that one, but I'm not a big gnome person. Socks, socks, socks. I'm gonna make an Asian chicken to go with our stir-fried rice, and I'm gonna get this and I'm just gonna actually dump the bottle on it. Clearance prices speak to me, $1.50. So here is my cart for the week. We had a lot of things on hand, which helps my budget. So any guesses for the total? I picked this up in line for $6.99. Okay, my total is $101.33, and here are the goodies for the day. We are having Big Mac salads this week. I'm gonna make the ground beef on the side, and whoever wants to sprinkle it on their salad can. Obviously, my vegetarian will not. We are going to have hot dogs, french fries, corn, all the fruit on 4th of July. Carry-out pizza. We were meant to have that last week, and it got bumped to this week. We never got carry-out pizza, so I'm looking forward to that. We're going to have the Asian chopped salad on the side with that. Of course, still fruit. fruit will be with all these meals. I am going to make the Polynesian chicken using some frozen leftover chicken that I had from a few weeks ago, and I'll have stir-fried vegetarian rice on the side with that. We're gonna have pasta, homemade Alfredo sauce, green beans, and the baguette. I'm also gonna use the same Alfredo sauce, which my husband loves, with gnocchi, and I have jarred pesto for the gnocchi as well with green beans. We are going to then have either leftovers or a quick pantry meal using up food that we have on hand. I'm guessing we will have leftovers though. So that is our meal plan for the week. So I mentioned that I buy my hot dogs at Costco. It's because I really like a brand and the value from Costco. And if you want to see a Costco shopping haul where I buy hot dogs, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.